paprika pork. This is a midweek meal game changer. It's rich, comforting and delicious, and you can feed a family of 4 for under £12 with this fantastic recipe. Let's get on to our pork. This is M&S Select Farm outdoor-bred British pork. The flavour and quality of this will really come through in the finished dish. We're just going to slice it up into thin strips. So we've got a pan on nice and hot, a good splash of olive oil going in there, in with our Select Farm British pork. And we want to season the pork. While that's going, let's get on to our veg. And now we remove that pork from the pan. And now we get the pan back on the heat, splash more oil, get the temperature up, and we're going to really fry off and char those peppers and onions. You can use any mushroom you like. I'm going for white mushrooms today. We've got some lovely colour going on, the onions and the peppers. Now we go in with those sliced remarkable mushrooms. This really is a midweek meal game changer. It's a fantastic recipe to make 2 incredible quality pieces of pork, feed a family of 4, because we can build it out with all those mushrooms, peppers and onions. A great way to get the kids eating their veggies. And now when we go with our smoked paprika, I love the smell of that. You could use hot paprika if you want a bit more heat, but I'm going for smoked. So our pork is nicely coated in that smoked paprika. It smells off the charts. Now we're going to just go in 300 ml of stock. Now when we go with our sour cream, that's going to give it that creaminess that we're after. So less than 20 minutes later, it is time to plate up. This really is a winning midweek meal for you and your family. I'm going to go for basmati rice, but if you want to add more fibre, go for the whole grain alternative. And then on with a little bit of parsley, and there you have it, my super speedy, super creamy paprika pork. That's a winning game changer of a midweek meal that'll become a family favourite in your household. It costs less than £12 to feed a family of 4. Let us know how you get on. Okay, here we go, time for the taste test. I'm not telling porkies, that is delicious.
Don't hog it, Chris.
Don't hog it all, yeah. Well, I'm going to actually.